morning, dear kids. Children, today we are going to learn a very important topic in GK. But before we start, I would like to ask one question. Tell me, how do you go to your relatives and friends? Come on, think and tell me. Right, by scooter, by car, और अगर हमें कहीं पे दूर जाना हो तो हम कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज करते हैं? Yes, by train or sometimes we use plane. Yes, these all are means of transport. It means the transport is a medium to travel from one place to another. Right? There are three types of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. So let's learn more about this topic. But before that, let's enjoy one nice song related to this topic.
मम्मी मुझे तू मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। मम्मी मुझे तू मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। सड़क पर वो चलती, वो चाय पम पम करती। सड़क पर वो चलती, वो चाय पम पम करती। बस में बैठकर मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। बस में बैठकर मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। मम्मी मुझे तू मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। मम्मी मुझे तू मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। पटरी पर वो चलती, वो जाए छुक छुक करती। पटरी पर वो चलती, वो जाए छुक छुक करती। ट्रेन में बैठकर मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। ट्रेन में बैठकर मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। मम्मी मुझे तू मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। मम्मी मुझे तू मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। पानी पर वो चलती, वो जाए सर सर करती। पानी पर वो चलती, वो जाए सर सर करती। बोट में बैठकर मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। बोट में बैठकर मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। मम्मी मुझे तू मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। मम्मी मुझे तू मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। आकाश में वो उड़ता, वो जाए जूम करता। आकाश में वो उड़ता, वो जाए जूम करता। प्लेन में बैठकर मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। प्लेन में बैठकर मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। मम्मी मुझे तू मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। मम्मी मुझे तू मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। मम्मी मुझे तू मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। मम्मी मुझे तू मामा के घर जाने दे, जाने दे। There are three modes of transport. They are land transport, water transport and air transport. Now let's learn about it. Okay? Now the first transport is land transport. Land transport is a transport that moves on land. This is a bicycle. ચિલ્ડ્રન, આપણે ક્યાંય નજીકમાં જવું હોય ને ત્યારે બાઇસિકલનો યુઝ કરી શકાય અને એનાથી આપણી એક્સરસાઇઝ પણ થઈ જાય. ધીસ ઇઝ અ સ્કૂટર. આપણે સ્કૂટર ચલાવીએ ને ત્યારે ઓલવેઝ હેલ્મેટ પહેરીને જ ચલાવવાનું. ધીસ ઇઝ અ મોટરસાઇકલ. આપણે જ્યારે મોટરસાઇકલ ચલાવીએ ને ત્યારે પણ હેલ્મેટ પહેરીને જ ચલાવવાની. Which vehicle is this? Yes, this is a car. આપણે આપણા ફેમિલી સાથે કારમાં ટ્રાવેલ કરીએ ને. This is a bus. Many people can travel in bus. Children, આ કયું vehicle છે? ઓટો રિક્ષા. It has 3 wheels. This is a fire engine and it is red in color. કોઈ જગ્યાએ જ્યારે આગ લાગે ને ત્યારે ફાયર એન્જિન એકદમ ફાસ્ટ પહોંચી જાય અને આગ બુઝાવી દે. Now this is a tractor. Tractors are very useful for farming. This is a bullock cart. Bullock cart એટલે બળદગાડી. એ આપણને વિલેજીસમાં જોવા મળે અને એ સ્લોલી ચાલે. This is a horse cart. એને ટોંગા પણ કહેવાય. તમે એને ઘોડાગાડી કહો છો ને? ઘોડાગાડીમાં બેસવાની બહુ મજા આવે ને? કિડ્સ, આ કયું વ્હીકલ છે? ટ્રેન. ટ્રેનમાં ઘણા બધા લોકો ટ્રાવેલ કરી શકે. એન્ડ ટ્રેન રન્સ ઓન ધ ટ્રેક્સ. નેક્સ્ટ ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ ઇઝ વોટર ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ. The transport that sails on water are called water transport. Children, this is a boat. We can travel for short distance on water. We use boat. તમને બોટિંગ કરવાનું ગમે ને? This is a ship. Ship બોટ કરતાં પણ મોટી હોય. We can travel for long distance on water. We use ship. Next transport is air transport. The transport in which people move from one place to another by air is called air transport. Children, આ તો તમને ખબર જ હશે ને? Yes, this is an aeroplane. And aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. This is a helicopter. Helicopter પર ફેન હોય અને એમાં 5-6 passengers બેસી શકે.
In Me and My Surroundings, open page number 5858. Today's topic is transport. There are 3 modes of transport: land transport, water transport, air transport. Now let's see land transport. Bicycle, scooter, motorcycle, auto rickshaw, car, van, tonga, bus, bullock cart, truck, ambulance, train. These all are land transport. Now water transport: boat, ship, motorboat, submarine, yacht. These all are water transport. Now let's see air transport: helicopter, aeroplane. These two are air transport. On page number 6060, write capital letter L, capital letter A, capital letter W to show whether the given transport are on land, air or water. Here some transport are given and we have to write capital letter L for land transport, capital letter A for air transport and capital letter W for water transport. Now this is aeroplane. Where does aeroplane fly? Yes, it flies in the air. So we will write here capital letter A. This is ship. Where does ship sail? Yes, it sails in water. So here we will write capital letter W. Then this is bus. Where does bus move? It moves on road. So this is called land transport. So we will write here capital letter L. Kids, you have to see all these transports and write in this box, okay? Page number 6161, match the following. Here some transport are given and here where do they move are given. So we will match it, okay? This is train. Where does train move? It moves on track. So we will match train with track. Next one is aeroplane. Where does aeroplane fly? Yes, it flies in the sky. So match aeroplane with sky. This is bus and we will match bus with road because it moves on road. This is ship, and ship sails on water. So we will match ship with water. Now, how many wheels do each of these vehicles have? Here in this box we have to write it. This is motorcycle. How many wheels does motorcycle have? Correct, 2. So here we will write number 2. Auto rickshaw has how many wheels? 3. So we will write here 3. This is car. How many wheels car have? 4 wheels. So we will write here number 4. This is truck, and truck has 6 wheels. So we will write here 6 because here 2 wheels are attached at the back. Okay. So kids, you have to complete all these exercises at your home. Bye bye.